Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and confirming you can enter the passcode and access your Apple ID. This avoids roadblocks mid-process. Once done, open Settings and head directly to Notifications, then locate FaceTime in the app list. You do this because notification controls live per app. Changing system settings first keeps you from toggling the wrong option. Make sure your iOS is current so the menu names match what I describe. You now tap FaceTime under Notifications and decide whether to fully disable alerts or fine-tune them. If you want zero interruptions, toggle Allow Notifications off. You do this to stop banners, sounds, and lock screen calls. If you prefer selective silence, turn off sounds and banners and uncheck lock screen. That keeps FaceTime usable without notifications. Also check Show Previews in Notifications settings, and set to Never if you want message content hidden when alerts still appear. You finish by opening Messages in Notifications and choosing Full Silence or a low-key option. Toggle Allow Notifications off to stop everything, or pick Deliver quietly if you want messages delivered without banners or sounds. Make sure to disable sounds and badges and remove lock screen permission to prevent visual alerts. If settings seem not to stick, sign out and back into your Apple ID and restart the phone. This resets push permissions and typically resolves stubborn notification issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.